Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever struggled to understand political or legal terms in English, don't worry. We're here to break them down in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll explore political and legal words in English. These key terms will help you understand news reports, legal documents, and political debates. Let's get started. First, let's define government. A government is the system that creates and enforces laws in a country. In the U.S., the government is divided into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes the laws; the executive branch, which enforces the laws; the judicial branch, which interprets the laws. This system ensures that no single branch has too much power. Next, we have Constitution. A constitution is the highest legal document of a country, outlining government structure and protecting citizens' rights. In the U.S., the Bill of Rights is part of the Constitution and guarantees freedoms like speech, religion, and fair trials. Another important term is legislation. Legislation refers to the process of making and passing laws. A bill is a proposed law that must be debated and approved by Congress before being signed into law by the president. If the president rejects it, that's called a veto. Now, let's talk about civil rights. Civil rights are legal protections that guarantee equal treatment for all citizens. These include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and protection against discrimination. You may also hear the term lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or company takes another to court to resolve a dispute. The person who files the case is the plaintiff, and the person being sued is the defendant. Another key legal term is due process. This means that legal procedures must be fair and that no one can be punished without a proper trial. It ensures that everyone is treated equally under the law. Let's discuss checks and balances. This system ensures that different branches of government can limit each other's power. For example, the president can veto a law, but Congress can override the veto with enough votes. Finally, let's talk about public policy. Public policy refers to the actions and decisions made by the government to address issues like healthcare, education, and the economy. Political debates often focus on different approaches to shaping public policy. By learning these political and legal terms, you'll be better prepared to follow discussions, understand laws, and engage in conversations with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.